guys, welcome back to the shop and Merry Christmas to you. As part of my Christmas presents today, I got this dash replacement part from LMR that incorporates a cup holder. And it also has a 12 volt cigarette lighter plug and also a couple of 5 volt 3.1 amp USB plugs. So we're going to install this into the Mustang today and let you know how it goes. So current state of the Mustang is she's tore down. We're waiting on parts. So let's get it pushed back away from the lift here and we'll install these parts here. I'll let you know how it goes. I'll just do a time lapse of it. All right, there you go, guys. Very simple install. As you can see, it's in place. Nice cup holder. I don't know how much that cup's going to get in your way when you're driving. I guess you just curl your arm around a little bit, get away, get around it or whatever. Emergency brake, no problem. Was able to get my mirror adjusters in there. Got my 12 volt cigarette lighter plug there, USB here. All in all, I mean, it was a very simple install. It took me, gosh, I don't know, 10 minutes at the most, and that was half of that was just hunting my tools. So I would highly recommend that. I mean, my black interior here, it matches really well. So there you go, guys. Another quick little install on the 93 box body Mustang. Guys, I hope you have a Merry Christmas. It is unseasonably warm here in North Carolina. I'm out here wearing shorts, as you can see. Feels great outside. So spend time with your families. Have a Merry Christmas. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.